Hello, my mathematicians. Are you ready for a warm-up? We're gonna get that math mind working because I'm gonna start and get harder today. Are you ready? So we're gonna start counting, but instead today, we're gonna start counting with a bigger number. Let's start with twos and let's count starting with 92. Are you ready? 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 114, 116, 118, 120, 122, 124, 126. Stop. It's harder when we get into those three-digit numbers, isn't it? Let's do another one. Let's count by fives, but let's start with 105. Are you ready? 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150. Stop. Better. That was pretty good. All right, let's count by tens, but let's start with 111. So remember, 11 ends with a 1, so all of these numbers are going to end with a 1. Are you ready? 111, 121, 131, 141, 151, 161, 171, 181, 191, 201. Did you know that was the next number? Good job. High five. All right, now we're going to count by 25s. 25s are tough. To hear that pattern, we've been practicing them for a couple weeks now, and you're getting better and better each time. So let me see those lips moving. We're going to start with 0. So we go 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300. Stop. I hope you're doing a good job with those. I know they're not easy. All right, we are going to do some sums of 10. You're going to need your fingers. I want your screens turned on and show me as soon as you know it, because we want the right answer. We first want to get it right, and then we want to get more efficient and do it faster. So are you ready? What number goes with 3? What number goes with 3? Go, 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 go. Took away 3. 7. If you had 7 up, you were correct. Are you ready for the next one? All right, here we go. What number goes with 9? Wow, that was pretty quick. What number goes with 9? 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. All right, let's do another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What number goes with 7? What number goes with 7? Good job. Some of you noticed I did the other one. 7 and 3, they go together. So if you had 3 fingers up, high five for you. All right, the last one for this is, I'm going to give you this number. Are you ready? 8. What number goes with 8? Quick, 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 quick. All right, very good. Tuck away 8. 2. 2 was the answer. Very good job. Now we're going to try and go fast again, but for this I want you to get out your whiteboards, because instead of doing sums of 10, we're going to practice doubles facts again. Now you might remember a doubles fact is when we take one number and we add it twice. So for example, if I showed you this, you would write 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. If I were to show you this, you would write, some of you are doing it, 4, because 2 plus 2 is 4. So I'm going to give you a couple doubles facts, because just like sums of 10, we want to get them quickly. We want to get our doubles facts quick too. All right, are you ready? Here we go. First one. What's the double for 3? 3 plus 3. Go fast. I'm starting to see people do it. Good job. The answer is 6. Well done. Let's do this one. Are you ready? Here we go. What's the doubles fact for 5? Fast as you can. Show me on your screen. Yep, you got it. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. Let's do one more. Are you ready? Here we go. What is double 6? Go fast. 6 plus 6. Do you know it? If not, look at my dice. Start with 6 and count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now, the more we learn those doubles facts, the easier it is going to be to help us answer other facts. Kind of like, do you remember yesterday when we were doing the sums of 10 and we found out that sums of 10 can help us answer other questions? It's kind of the same way for doubles facts. So I have some quick looks actually for you right now. So let me see if I can share my screen with you. Okay, so is your board ready? Because as soon as you see this picture, I want you to write down what the answer is. It's 2 10 frames again, and I want you to tell me what they are. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. What is, oops, no, not that one. I don't know why it did that. Okay, this is the right one. What is that answer? Quick, quick, quick. Show me on your boards. And yes, you guys knew this. I don't think we did this in the beginning one, but you know, 4 plus 4, they look exactly the same, don't we? So we know it's a nice doubles fact. 4 plus 4 is 8. Good job. Erase your board. Are you ready for the next one? All right, here we go. Next one. 1, 2, 3. What's that answer? What do you think? We got it? All right, here's the answer. The answer is 9. But how did you get it? Hopefully you remembered the 4 plus 4 was 8. So 4 plus 5 must be 9. Good work. Are you ready for the next one? Okay, erase your board. All right, here comes the next one. 1, 2, 3. Go fast, 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 fast. Show me, show me, show me. All right. A lot of good answers here. There was a couple different ways you could do this looking at the doubles facts because it's not quite there yet. So I saw 6 here, but you could also see 5 here and 5 here. So let's see the 2 different ways you could do it. So you could have done 5 plus 5 plus 1, make it at 11. Or you could have said, well, it's 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6 plus 5 must be 11. So you can do some subtraction there in your brain when you're working with 10 frames. So there's a lot of stuff going on. And so your brains, even in our classroom, probably saw that quick look a little different. That's kind of the neat thing about the quick looks is they can be a little bit different. All right, we have one more. Are you ready? Okay, erase your board. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Mrs. Dorn, that's an easy one because it's just a doubles fact and it's one you just did. You're right. The answer is 12. And 6 plus 6 is indeed 12. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about how those doubles facts can help us with other things. So we're going to be doing in our math journals today, page 26, and they gave you a couple extra problems. So there's also some on page 27 too. But let's look at how they want us to do this today. And again, you don't have to have this out. I'm going to go through it once and then you can come back and do it again. So again, they're asking you what the helper was. So for the helper for this one that we saw right away was 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple different ways. Again, you can do this. There's more than one way to be right in math. As long as you get the same answer, how you get there can be different, and that's okay. So for this one, maybe you saw 3 plus 3. So maybe you did 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now you could have done 4 plus 4 equals 8, so 4 plus 3 equals 7. It's whatever you see. So I'm going to do just one more today, and then I'm going to let you figure out the rest, okay? So maybe I'm going to do it a little bit different. Maybe I'm going to see the 6 plus 6 like I did in the last one. So maybe I see 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 6 plus 5 would be 1 less than 12, or 11, okay? So you're gonna do these 2 pages. Now, they give you a try this, and what they want you to notice is that right now we are giving you, or they're giving us, the 10 frames to kind of see it. But can you see in your brain what 8 plus 6 would look like in a 10 frame and how you might see those dots? Maybe you might see, there's, again, a lot of different ways you could do this. You might do 8 plus 6 and try and think of a sum of 10. You might do 8 plus 6 and try and find a doubles fact hidden in there. See what you can do and how you can see that, and we'll share some of those at the end of math today. So you're going to do page 26 and 27, and then we do have a math box that we'll go over really quickly. So it says how much money is shown. Fill in the correct answer. So you're going to go ahead and count these dimes and nickel and penny. Sorry about some math change over here. And you can go ahead and color in the one that's right. Now for this one, it says how many 10s can you make? Circle them and how many are left over. So you're going to count out 10, and once you have 10, you're going to put a circle around 10 of them, and you're going to tell me how many. Maybe you can make 1 group of 10. Maybe you can make 2 groups of 10. I want you to try that. So again, let me just show you how that would look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's at least 1 group of 10. Now, maybe there's enough for another group. Maybe there's not. If there's not enough to make a 10, then those have to stay 1s, okay? Number 3 says use your calculator to show 18, but the 8 key is broken. I know you know how to do these because we did a bunch of them in the very beginning. So think of ways that you can add or subtract to get to 18, and they want you to do it 4 different times. So you're gonna have 4 number models on this line, okay? And then number 4 says there were 4 frogs in the pond, more frogs jumped into the pond, and now there are 10 frogs. How many frogs just jumped into the pond? Wow, that's kind of an interesting one because we know there were 4. We know that more came, but we don't know how many. And we know that now there are 10. So you're going to have to think about that one and what that answer might be. And finally, the last one asks you to place the number 111 in the correct spot on the number line. So you're going to go ahead and do that. And as always, once you finish those journal pages, so 26, 27, and 28 today, you can make a math choice. And you know what the math choices are, so I'm not going to have to repeat myself again, but remember to stay close to your computer. If you have a question, you know how to get to us. We are going to be popping into different breakout rooms to ask you some math questions, check in, see how you're doing, and all that stuff. And then we will get back together again and talk about all those helpers facts and how it went for you. So have a great day, and I'll see you soon.